For battery energy storage in PJM, frequency regulation has been the primary source of revenues to date. However, the market is beginning to grow more crowded. More batteries are bidding into the same fixed pool of value. This chart shows the daily average share of regulation responsibility provided by Reg D assets, which are predominantly batteries, from 2022 to 2025. Since 2022, the share of regulation served by Reg D assets has steadily increased. So far in 2025, they've provided more than half of PJM's regulation requirements. As more batteries come online in PJM, the share of regulation they provide will continue to increase. To see when this crowding becomes saturation, we modeled 3 build-out scenarios. First, the conservative case. Battery build-out follows current completion rates. Growth stays modest. Second, the base case. PJM queue reform and rising market signals speed up projects. Third, the accelerated case. With momentum coming from demand growth and higher clearing prices in the capacity market, PJM hits over 2.8 gigawatts of BESS by 2030. But PJM's regulation requirements remain relatively flat, set by NERC reliability standards. Once the portion of build-out contributing to regulation crosses that bar, competition increases to the point of batteries reducing clearing prices well below the price of energy. This is because batteries will continue offering regulation at lower and lower prices to secure awards, since there isn't enough regulation volume to support all that installed capacity. In these scenarios, saturation begins as early as 2028 in the accelerated case and by 2029 in the base case. Regulation won't disappear, but it won't support standalone business cases much longer. And with rising real-time prices, robust load growth, and stronger capacity market signals, energy arbitrage and revenue stacking are no longer optional as regulation market becomes less attractive. Head to the Modo Energy Terminal for the full analysis and insights on how storage strategies are evolving beyond regulation. Thanks for watching.